Good morning, Room 1. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Say it with me. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. All right, today we are going to need a few papers out of our blue folder. So you're going to need your Day 3, Week 1 stapled bunch here. And your reading fluency paper, the blank piece of paper that should have been right behind the Day 3 stapled papers. And for math, you're going to need lesson 7, time to the half hour. Okay, so go ahead and get those things out and get them ready, and then get out your journal, and we'll get started writing the date and journaling. Great job, guys. All right, if you have your journals out, let's go ahead and practice writing the date. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Let's write it. Capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y, comma, space, capital A, P, R, I, L, space, 16, comma, space, 2020. The abbreviated version is 4-16-20. Today we're going to write about the weather. We had some really beautiful weather yesterday, and I heard from some of you in our 11:15 a.m. meeting that you were going to go in the sprinklers or play with water balloons or go swimming. So what is it that you want to do with the weather getting warmer? What is your favorite outdoor activity or your favorite water activity? So you're going to start with when the weather gets warm, I like to, and you can pause the video there to write that beginning, and then tell me, what is it you like to do? Do you like to swim? Do you like to throw water balloons? Do you like to run through the sprinklers? Don't worry about spelling, just try your best and finish that sentence for me. And if you want to, you can even draw a picture on the bottom. All right, when you're done with that, go ahead and get your morning work out. If you haven't done it yet, do it first, and then we'll go over those answers together. All right, great job, guys. All right, we're going to go ahead and do our morning work. You can just rip that morning work right off. Oops, oh, don't rip it like I did. Go ahead and rip your morning work off of your packet. I'm going to have to tape mine. And get started on that, and then we'll go over the answers together. All right, guys. The first two, we're going to correct the sentences. Do you like grape juice? Do you like grape juice? You should have seen that you needed a capital D on do. You should have seen that it's missing punctuation. What kind of punctuation should this be? Okay. Do you like grape juice? This is an asking sentence, so you should add a question mark. All right. And then I hope you would have noticed that the word you is spelled incorrectly. It should be spelled Y-O-U. That is the oo sound that we're working on this week. And O-U is one of the ways to make the oo sound. Then you write it out in your neatest handwriting. Do you like grape juice? Go ahead and pause if you need another minute, if you have to make any changes to yours. Number 2 says, tools are useful. Tools are useful. The T should be capitalized because it is the beginning of a sentence, and there should be a period at the end. And you rewrite it in your neat handwriting. Well done. Number 3 says circle the word that comes first in A, B, C order. Okay, so you need to have you need to know the alphabet. And if you don't know the order of the alphabet, you can get out your blue folder, and in your blue folder you have a paper that shows you the alphabet in order. I'm going to grab mine to show you just in case you need it. It's in these middle pages here. Here we are. This shows you the alphabet. Okay, in order, going A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Okay, so, oh, that just made my other paper go. There it is. Okay, so knowing that we have that handy tool there, or having the alphabet memorized already, we can figure this out. Z. Hopefully most of you recognize that Z is the last letter of the alphabet, so that is definitely not going to be the first word. So we have grew, which starts with a G, and R for rule. Which one comes first? If you said G, you were right. Grew would be first if you're trying to put these 3 words in ABC order. Then rule, then zoom. Well done. Now this one says circle the root words. About, I don't know, right at the beginning of March or the end of February, we are learning about suffixes and how you can add things to the end of words to kind of change their meaning. Okay? If you add full to the end of a word, it means you're full of that word. So this word is hopeful. You're full of hope. Okay? And hope is the root word. Now, if you add less to a word, that means you're without it. Clueless. You're without a clue. Okay? And clue is the root word. I always think of root words, I think about roots and plants and how they are the most important part of the plant, because that's how the plant gets all its food and nourishment. So these root words are the most important part. You can be full of something, but without the root word, you wouldn't know what you're full of. Painful means you're full of pain. Okay? Awesome. Now this last one says, write a question about food. Write a question about food. Do any of you have a question? My question would be, good grief, I can't think of one. I guess I'll do, how big will my carrot get? That's about food, right? Carrots are food. There it is. All right, awesome job, you guys. When you're ready, go ahead and get started on the next video, which is language arts.